Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do air filter change on 2018 Infiniti QX60. This is my rebuilt car. I'm almost done rebuilding it, and obviously you gotta do regular maintenance. So oil's been changed and wipers and all the other stuff. So today we're gonna do a quick video on replacing air filter. So the procedure is pretty much the same as any other car. This is the air filter box, and we're gonna pop that open, get the filter out, put the new one in, and that's it. Let's go ahead and do that. Here's the filter, here's the box. Let's get this done. Two clips. There's cables here, sensor, and then there is air intake. I don't think we have to disconnect that. Out. And here's the old filter. As you can see, a little dirty. Here's the new one. Slide that back in there. Yeah, make sure it's all in, all around. Nice and tight. Yeah, this thing has two pins on the back that slide in. So pretty much the back part slides in, the front locks with the clips. Line it. There you go. And now time to put your hand in there and check if the pins are in those loops. And you can also try lifting the back. It's done. Click, click, and that's it. Not harder than any other car. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.